In today's show, Bitcoin Bull Run, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 reasons why the Bitcoin price will continue to surge. We'll also be taking a look at what crypto analyst Peter Brandt has to share regarding this Bitcoin bull market and where we're currently at. Also in today's episode, we'll be discussing if the Bitcoin price can bounce to 9,500 after filling the futures gap. And guess what? We just filled that futures gap, which was between 7,900 and 8,000. So there are some analysts, including Crypto Michael, who believes a bounce to 9,500 may be imminent. Also, we'll be taking a look at what Josh Rager has to share with his Bitcoin analysis, and I'll be doing a Bitcoin price action. All this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's show, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, be sure to click that link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right in. 3 reasons why Bitcoin will continue to surge during this Bitcoin bull run. So Bitcoin's on the verge of entering a 6-month bullish channel. The most recent price move also shifted the analysis of technical indicators, signaling Bitcoin may be ready to follow a bullish scenario. 3 technical indicators suggested a new upward drive may be possible. Bitcoin price managed to bounce off the year's long trend of higher lows. The second technical factor was a small head and shoulders pattern. Here's what popular Bitcoin analyst Peter Brandt had to share on crypto Twitter. He wrote, "Has a new bull market began in Bitcoin? Number 1, the market held support at lower boundary of multi-year channel. Number 2, small head and shoulders bottom on the daily chart. And number 3, pending penetration of 6+ month channel. If enough crypto cultists have been shaken out since December 17th, then yes. If not, then no." And he went ahead and shared this graph along with it, which I'll be sure to include in the show notes below the video in the description. And checking out some of the replies, Crypto Fibonacci responded, "In my opinion, I think they have. This whole drop from 13,000 looked very accumulative to me, but we shall see." Bitcoin Macro responded, "The new bull market started months ago when Bitcoin pumped from 3,000 to 14,000 and sliced through 6,000 resistance like butter on the way up." Crypto Mikey shared this screenshot from Peter Brandt when he said, "The last time factors benchmark weekly moving average was in the current profile of turning from down to up was in November 2015, just as Bitcoin began its move from $340 to $19,800. Nico responded, "Bitcoin is rising as a result of war missiles being launched." And that is true. We saw a pretty significant pump just like that when those air missile strikes attacked that Iranian general who was taken out under the command of President Trump. And then recently, the market just started reconsolidating after some more information was released, and it doesn't look like a war is imminent, but that's good for humanity at the end of the day. But as a safe haven asset, we always see a spike in gold and Bitcoin whenever there is tension between the US, the Middle East, and just a lot going on geopolitically. Name Elsewhere replied, "Key here is that gold and Bitcoin are running simultaneously with the news of political conflict. Suggests people will view being out of a trade as more risky proposition. Decentralized censorship-resistant networks are sovereign sources of money and will behave like gold." Touche. I agree 100%. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. Following the 2 completed charts you see on your screen right now, Bitcoin has the chance to enter a 6-month appreciation channel, though this move is not yet certain and depends on closing levels in the coming days. And that's why where we're at right now is so critical. We're struggling to break back above the $8,000 resistance. We touched the $8,500 resistance and immediately fell back back down to where we're currently at. Bitcoin trading at $7,907, down 4.87% in the past 24 hours. Most of the major cryptos are all in the red. Ethereum down 3.3%, trading at $138. XRP down 4.5%, trading at 20 cents. Miss Litecoin in the deep red, down 5.5%, trading at $45. Link is down 3.9%, trading at $2.18. The only one up here, actually two main ones. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision is up 2%, trading at $117, and Monero is up 1%, trading at $58. We've seen Monero pumping as of lately, so it wouldn't surprise me if it continues to pump, considering it's one of the biggest, if not the biggest, privacy coin within the crypto market. And I know right now a lot of people are investing into Monero for obvious reasons. Another big question is the halving priced in or not with the current Bitcoin prices? The renewed predictions based on current chart action also match the expectations Bitcoin may continue to rally for the first half of 2020. The price moves also mean Bitcoin made its local lows at around 6,500 in December, avoiding the scenario of a dip to 5,000. Bitcoin price has once again entered a period of active spot trading based on a can't afford not to hold attitude. Trading activity expanded to above $30 billion in the past day as the price broke through milestones above $8,000 in January. Bitcoin now continues with a new set of support levels at $7,800 to $7,900 and further potential for price development. Patel shared on Twitter, Bitcoin target achieved chart. Finally, Bitcoin broke big resistance, and now 78 to 7,900 became the big support. 83.62 is a small resistance, so struggling, and the next target is 8,700 and $9,500. The current price move also sees Bitcoin generally in a longer-term bull market, which started off from lows of 3,200 in December 2018. Despite the temporary fluctuations, Bitcoin has remained above $6,000 for most of the time, with still a preserved trend for a slow climb. The other matter remains the timing of an altcoin season. For now, the spotlight is on Bitcoin, which has expanded its market cap dominance to 69.1%, but there's also a possibility the higher Bitcoin prices may trigger altcoin speculation. The renewed rally also reignited the narrative that the halving is not priced in yet and may lead to a new price range. Taking a look at what crypto analyst Kevin Svensson had to share, he wrote, "The halving is not priced in. Hashtag bullish, hashtag Bitcoin." What are your thoughts? Personally, I don't feel that the halving is priced in. I do feel we are going to surge as we get closer to this infamous Bitcoin halving in May of this year, less than 4 months, right around the corner. But what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. And in other crypto news, the Bitcoin price can bounce to 9,500 after filling futures gap, suggests analysts. And guess what? We just closed that futures gap because we're currently at 7,900. So this is actually pretty interesting. Crypto Michael shared on crypto Twitter, the flip would be best plus closing the CME gap, breakout upwards, and I'd be aiming for 9,500 or 11,000, as 9,500 is the same as 6,000, meaning everybody wants to short there. So there's extra fuel. Losing green and 6,900 to 6,400 are on the table. And he shared this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description. And taking a look at what popular crypto analyst Josh Rager had to share regarding the Bitcoin price, he wrote, price has an initial rejection off the key area 8400s that previously as resistance support, watching for a pullback to the 78 to 7900s before a bounce and push to the upside for a retest. Not out of the bare woods yet, take it level by level, day by day. And this was actually posted yesterday, and he was dead on accurate because we witnessed this pullback happen right before our eyes. So another one who believes that we may bounce back. And what are your thoughts? I'd love to know in the comments right down below. The current cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at $208 billion with 86 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And the current BTC dominance, according to CoinMarketCap, is 68.7%. And taking a look at the top gainers in the past 24 hours, Lisk is leading the pack by far, up 17%, trading at just below 66 cents. REN is up 6.8%, trading just above 4 cents. Electronium is up 2.4%, trading at 0.003. Ethereum Classic up 1%, trading at $4.98. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision up 1%, trading at $116. And Decentraland up 1%, trading at 3.4 cents. And taking a look at the top losers, Centrality leading the pack down 12.5%, trading at 8.7 cents. Nexo down 11%, trading at just below 11 cents. BitShares down 9%, trading at 1.5 cents. Bitcoin Gold down 8%, trading at $5.82. Bitcoin Diamond down 8%, trading at 35 cents. And it's always interesting because whenever Bitcoin surges, all the forks of Bitcoin tend to surge, such as Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Diamond, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. But then when Bitcoin is going down, then of course the forks naturally seem to follow. And KuCoin shares down 7%, trading at just above $1. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see that the bears are in control by 200 million in superiority just in the past 24 hours, with shorts leading 52.56% versus 47.44% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated a 44, which represents fear. Yesterday we were neutral with a 51, and last week in fear with a 38, and last month we were in extreme fear with a 22. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a buying opportunity, and when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me through this crypto matrix. You have two choices at this point: the blue pill or the red pill. If you choose the blue pill, you will wake up in Wonderland and forget everything you think you know about this crypto revolution. But if you choose the red pill, you will journey with me and see how deep this crypto rabbit hole truly goes. The choice is yours, my friend. I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below this video in the description, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.